Welcome back everybody to another video, and this is the Huawei TalkBand B5, and this is actually Huawei's latest detachable Bluetooth headset, and this is something very unique and very interesting. Now if you look at this image right here, you can see that the Huawei TalkBand B5 seems to be having an attachable screen that can easily be put on your ear, which pretty much serves as a Bluetooth kind of device. Now if you don't want that to happen, then simply put it back into the bracelet, and clearly see it could be some sort of a fitness tracker, pretty much see the battery life of your smartphone. So overall, the smartphone is extremely flexible and it's pretty great. Now the wearable might be arriving on July 9th. Now there's not a lot of information about the specs of the device provided by Evan Bloss. However, we can definitely assume that the fitness tracker will be one of the biggest features on the smartphone. And you can look at this image, you can see that the TalkBand B3 was launched in 2016, actually had a feature where you actually accept calls. So you may be seeing major upgrades in the software, along with a fitness tracker that could count the number of steps, burn calories, and also other types of fitness capabilities, along with being able to look at different text information. So pretty much serves as a smartwatch, and a very minimalist and very beautiful smartwatch. Now, another big thing is we may be seeing an IP65 rating, which is also extremely interesting. Now, that is something I really like. Now, Ice Universe has been saying that this type of smartwatch device may be coming very soon and is coming to the consumer market, which I'm actually very excited for. Now, the overall smartwatch seems to be insanely nice, especially how you can actually take the Bluetooth out of the device and put it on the ear, giving it many different types of functionality purposes, and that is something I really love. So anyway, thanks for watching. Comments below. I really do feel like the TalkBand B5 is definitely be a major hit, along with an OLED panel on it. It's definitely going to be an amazing smartwatch. Thanks for watching. Comments below.